G. Slow down. Stop, stop, stop. Put your foot by the brake. Put your foot by the brake. Stop, 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 stop.
Me pass it.
Yes, stop. Yes, stop, stop. Lovely, calm down now.
Where they carry up now?
Where they carry up?
They carry up the seat. You know, this is the last part?
For?
You can't, you buck?
No, you're not buck. You can't go up more. But look over to the right hand side. There are some levers. Some levers or levers. Which is it?
Alright.
So you pump it a bit of height, yeah?
Yeah.
First rule. Everything me say more you listen to.
Yeah.
Listen to everything I say.
Okay.
Next rule. Good, yeah, good. You know a little thing, man. You probably watch the end of video them say all.
No, me know this long time.
Okay. Next thing. I'm gonna give you my bank account information that if you slap it, you fix it. Alright. So me kinda nervous, but me just feel like me have faith in you. Why me must have faith in you? Cause you're my sister?
Because yeah, and I can do this. With your teaching I can do this.
Oh, you're confident?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So Lovell, mirrors is a thing. Set your mirror you want to see it. Are you seeing to the left mirror properly? You're supposed to use the right as well. Driving is about vision.
When I see the left over that side.
Driving is about vision most of the time. That's it. Oh.
Carried up. Alright, yeah.
Right hand side. Oh, stay for the right. Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
good, yeah.
Driving is about vision most of the time. Zine? So you need you can see at all times. But you have more than one mirror to see through. You have the windshield, which is the largest mirror. You have the left mirror, which is a mirror to assist things, even things that are coming up on your right. No man. Come on, do your thing. When you blow your hand for, because somebody blow their hand after you?
Yeah, so I
no,
can
I'm going to come around. So, yeah. So even the left mirror can assist with people who are going to come up on your right, because it will show you who they're behind you. The right mirror will show you what's
show you too.
This will be like, this can show you like the back windshield.
Oh, okay.
So always keep your eyes on the road. You may assume say you're new to driving. You're new to driving.
Kinda.
Alright, so keep both hands on the wheel. Follow my instructions. Try not to panic when you're in a scheme. Car will pass you. I just saw it. Last but not least, don't slap my car. Alright, so I can't assume first thing you go wrong. Mr. Angel do that all the while. Don't put no slippers or nothing under which part the pedal like a bit. Reason?
No, to me feel comfortable.
No, it's no, you can't. You're not supposed to drive barefoot. But if you feel like say so you have to drive if you feel good, drive so. But guess what? If you are driving and them shoes are going under the pedal and you try come to a stop, it's gonna stop the pedal.
So if you carry it
you want to drive without? No, put your over yourself. So it's not advised that you drive barefoot, but I don't believe in a certain rules.
Yeah, probably just feeling natural, probably that's a person love.
You have some people who love stick to the rules so much you like them don't know say you can change rules sometimes.
Yeah.
Drive how you're comfortable. Zine? We're gonna make you go forward. So, hold on. Check your mirrors because it's about vision. Check your mirrors and make sure nobody not coming.
No.
Good. Alright, you'll move the car now.
So, carry it please.
Okay, you want help? Alright, so what we learn is you carry it up first. Push the button, carry it down. You're about to put the car in drive now. Use you can't break your level. Push it out and carry it down. But here one now, you now move right?
Yeah.
Apply pressure on the brake. Do it now. Good. Let's go.
Oh.
There's a speed bump right here, level. Step level. Level, we drive on the left side of the road. Focus, focus, focus. Yes, keep on your corner. I know you're probably not going to balance out the car properly, but keep on your side of the road. Just keep left, keep left. Come over more to your left. Level, you press gas early. Alright, keep left. When I say left, you know, I go take the turn, you go straight down. Alright, go on, sis, go on. But wait, you want to give that little gas too? Lad. Alright, when I tell you with the gas now, I know you're jukey. I want you constantly hold on your foot on it. So not hard, just give some constant pressure. When you come up to the speed bump, you have to make a stop, of course. Slow down. Slow down. Yeah, slow down too. Yeah. You see what happened now? Who go through? You see that now?
Okay.
Yeah, so go over it.
Okay,
give me, constant. Give me. Gas. Not so hard, but gas, yes. Make it go. Go on, man. Don't this way.
Oh, we are going.
Yeah, man. Steer. Yes, man. Yes, sis. Yes, sis. Go on, man. Go on, man. Go on. Yeah.
So that's why we are Jeep on here.
Yeah, go on, man. Hey, keep on your side. Alright, you're gonna come to a break now. You're gonna come to a break. Next pedal, Lovell. Next pedal for the break. Lovell, we say break. We say you're gonna come to a break. What do you let it? Break, Lovell. Put your foot on the same way. Yes.
Come on, think you're not going to then turn.
What, Lovell? You are gonna turn?
No.
Alright. Lovell, when I say break, you break, yeah. Me not think you can reverse. You feel like you can manage?
But me try it out and then see if we can manage.
Alright.
If we can manage then me.
But what I want you to do, if I tell you, say put your foot, I don't want you to panic first thing. And if you feel like you're not go right, just put your foot on the brake. It is always important to remember. If you feel like it get out of control, brake. You put it in the reverse. And all you gotta do, I keep your foot on the brake, but you barely take it off, make it go back a little and you slow it down back.
So put it on the brake now?
Yeah, foot must dip on the brake. Your foot must always dip on the brake.
Yeah.
Alright. So you gotta just control it. You can't go start leaning more a certain way, but just work with it. Take your time. Lean it up. Yeah. Yes, Lovell. You see it, I got that. Slow down. Stop. Put your foot on the brake. Put your foot on the brake. Put your foot on the brake. Lovell. People, me not no voice right now. Me have to beat out the last time, Lovell. Lovell, when I say put your foot on the brake, means that no, me never say take it up, left it on it.
Okay, alright.
The car already start pointing to so. So no, which way I go wrap it?
This way.
No.
No, this way.
Yes. Okay. So Lovell, Jesus. Lovell, when I say brake, Lovell, push down your foot on your brake.
Alright.
So wait, you're gonna start wrapping from now. Barely take up your foot. Wrap. Good. No, not the whole way around. Take your time now. Go on. Stop. Jesus, man. You have a back neck.
Alright, carry back on that because
no. Alright, put your foot on the brake. Apply pressure on the brake.
You may apply pressure.
Let it go. Not fully, but barely. Go on. Man, straighten out back. Stop. G. And because me about the seatbelt, we don't have hospital.
Just say stop. So I'm afraid.
Alright. I'm at you. My bad. When I say stop, easy.
Yeah.
Stop.
Easy.
Alright, no. When I say stop, no mean say come. When I drive, stop, no mean say halt. If me say stop, you halt. Stop means say you slow down and stop.
Alright.
And depends on how close you if you crash. Alright. Jeez. Alright. So it kind of straighten up back now a little bit. You still want to straighten up some more. So Lovell foot always applying pressure on the brake. Alright. Come. See him like. Alright, not too much. Yes. Let it go now. No, keep it. Hold it. Slower, Lovell. Slower. Yes. Make it go, but slower. Yes. Go on. Yes. Yeah, watch this, so? Yeah, carry back so it could be so now. Slower. Just keep it steady. Yeah, go back. Good. See how far away from this now? Alright. That's how you do it, Lovell. That's how you do it. Steady. Yeah, learn it, man. Hold on, stop. Good. Me know say you don't want to jam it, but stop. Alright, so here what? Keep your hand on it. Alright, no. Take up your foot a little bit. Cause you see the thing is it will move now, but you see longer you take your foot off it will move more. Alright. Hold it, Lovell. You are drive. Yes, go on. Reverse. No, you know if you continue blame like just continue steer it, cause you don't need to come out of the straight line. Alright, I say you balance in the middle road. Because you're a beginner, you can't stay on the middle of the road. Nobody now come. We don't have a little place to yourself right now. Too much. Yes, keep it steady. Yes. Continue. Yeah, man. Not wrong. If you reverse, no problem. Go on, man. You see that point, just a little bit too much. Yes. Hold it. Yes. You focus to stay on the middle of the road. If nobody come, I'm going to stop it.
Yeah.
Too much. Yes. the far. Yes. Well, here we are going to now. Come to a slow down. I like that. I like that. Look how slow this. I like that. So here we know. Make it come down some more. Wait. Yeah, make it come down some more.
Go back down some?
Yes, make it come down some more. Go on. Go on. Go on. Start rapid. Wait, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down, Novel. Start rapid, so. I want the back of the car on this, so start rapid, so. Right on there. Right on there. Right on there. Right on there, Novel. Right on there. Right on there. Good girl, stop. Stop, stop, stop. You go too far, good. You're going back down the road. So here I go do now.
Wrap it back around.
You wrap it, but wait, what you need to do? Keep a foot on the brake.
Put it on drive.
Yes. Good. Start wrapping. Go on now. Too much, too much, too much. Remember you're driving on the left side of the road. Yes. Too much. Well, you can do it a little slower. Left side of the road. Yes. Yes. Good. Good. Very good. Very good. Here I go do. You see, you see, keep on your side there. Yes, 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 yes. It's after you pass the speed bump, I'm gonna make you gas it a little bit. And remember, brake when I say it. Take your time. Remember you don't jam your brake at speed bumps. Gas it. Gas it, man. Can't start. Hey, slow, slow, slow. Yeah, gas it, gas it. Just don't but what you need to do is steer the wheel. Go on. Gas it. It's more steady than level. You're not going to have a place too much. Slow. Slow down. Slow down. You go fly over the speed bump level. See you nearly broke your passenger leg. Slow, yes. The front, let me tell you, the car have 4 wheels, so the front of the wheel are going to meet before. So I'm going to feel like when you reach here, so you can just slow down. Go on again. Slow. Come here, make the turn.
Which turn? This one?
Right turn. Slow down. Wait, stop. Slow down and stop. Stop. Yes, stop. Yes, stop. You know, I show them, see you put on your right indicator good. You do a very good job. But you what? I say stop and you now obey me. So you fly. Yes, but wait, man. Lovell, see you put on the indicator by yourself. Like you're going good. Put it in a reverse now. Good. Take your little time, go back. Remember, say, oh yeah, you a guy the wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, use the mirror them. I know why you use the reverse cam. None at all. Stop. What you gonna do now? You have to change. No, yes, yeah. But yes, do it back.
So you have to change it.
Do it back. Yes, okay. Good. Take your time now. I remember you're trying to stay on the left side of the road when you go. You're not gonna take it in this year, take it wider. Slow level because you're new. Alright, daily go over this now. Good. Make them see you go now. Give me a little gas. Steer the car though, Lovell. Steer the car. Steer the car, Lovell. Lovell, see the big lad road, Lovell. Steer the... Lovell, go over a little bit more, man. Yes, no.
But you're alright, sir.
Yes. Yes, man. Okay, dog. Yes. Steer, Lovell, steer. Slow down. Yes. Slow. But the spirit will go fast. Because I don't do you remember say I'm a little gym. Go on, man. No. But now I make you nervous, hopefully, but
I'm nervous because you're slow.
Yeah, but I'm nervous, man. I just know how to do you. Alright, the sign says stop, so you have to slow down a little bit at this time because it's a intersection. Go up more, Lovell, but you have to dip on your side. You notice you're not dip on your side. Go up more. Slow, Lovell. Too much like corner. Yes, sir. Slow down, yes, sir. What you need to do now?
Look.
Right and left. Anything I come?
Just stop.
You're gonna go. You see anything I come?
No.
And even when you
but we have to push out a little more if you see exactly.
If you can't see, push out a little more. You see anything?
Eh?
You see anything?
No.
Go on. You're going straight.
No, me just a look.
Driver boy, I tell you, I'm afraid. I feel like my seatbelt. But I don't want a seatbelt, I want if you can jump over this if anything.
Wow!
No, Lovell, I just have to be sure. I can't make nothing do, you know. Speed bump, Lovell, so I tell you what you need to do.
Slow it down.
Good. Big bump back. Just stop the car. I apologize, subscribers. Lovell almost pop your neck. Go over it. You glance the mirror a little bit sometime on the right, you glance it because you want to see my body, I go fly past and them thing there. Go on, man. Go through the scheme beautiful. Oh man, but this whole time you can't drive me around here there for your light, nothing. Yeah. Yo, slow. Because we come into a turn.
Yeah.
No, don't indicate because it's one turn, so you have to just go on. Go on. Too much in that, yeah. Oh wait,
it's a
dead end. Yeah. Alright, so here we go now.
Wait, my turn, yes sir.
But wait, here we go first. Follow my instructions, love.
Yeah.
Stop. Good. See, it's a dead end.
Yeah, hot.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah, we'll go better now.
Alright. Love it, you're gonna reverse.
Yeah, reverse.
Alright, here we know. Your thing, dude. You see, no matter what me tell you to do, it's when me not talk about driving or nothing, don't take your foot off of the brake. Alright, unless you're going to park. There's a man's vehicle back there, so. But here, what I learned is if I have a little bit of space, you can turn. So here I go do now. Take a little time and reverse. After you're sure of the function where the car go do, then you start reverse. Go on. No, slow down. Stop. The car go so. I want the back go so.
Right.
So you know what you need to do now. Turn. And do it as slow as possible. Very good. Very good. Take your time, yes. And listen, when time I say stop this time, I just need it to stop. Go on. Slower than that. And remember, still glance the mirror. Slow. Go on, love it. Stop. Just stop enough for nothing bad, but just show people where you are going. Go back. Stop. Oh, you stay.
In a drive now?
No, wait. Just want to say stay more people say stay. She can go back a little bit more. You see it? See there, so? Little bit more. Go back a little bit more. Stop. No. Put it in a drive now. Go forward. No, wait. Stop. You need to break the wrap, love. Yeah, go back right in where you come from. Stop.
Jason!
No.
May I see clear?
Hold on. You can make it.
Yes.
But you don't fully wrap, level. Go on. But you need to fully wrap, level. Take your time now. Slow. Stop. Jesus.
I can't hear this one.
People, so we don't look at people. Alright, level. Hear me neither. Alright. This follow my instruction. Ease up your foot off our brake a little bit. Stop. Slow. Drive your vehicle. Slow level. Slow. Yes. And one thing more you do is steer the car at all over the place. Slow. You actually do very good. Can't underestimate you again. You're the far from the speed bump, love. See the speed bump, then we don't listen. Stop. Yes, I come to a stop then. Good, very good. Slow over the speed bump because, you know, don't bother about the people in make again. Your test is to make sure the camera not fly up. So go on. Moderately good, go on. Alright. Stop. Come to a stop level.
Jason, I can't stop here, so you're not seeing nobody out.
No, you can't stop yourself. See the stop sign there. Next thing you need to know as a driver, you need to remember where you drive, but I don't remember how to reach back.
Go back down straight and then you turn. So.
Alright, go on. Okay. Give me a little gas now. Stay on your side of the road, level. Stay on your side of the road, yes. Slow, come on, pattern line road. Slow, slow, slow. You come over too much level. Yeah, go on. Go on. I just say slow, come on, pattern line road. Go on. Yeah. Good girl.
Just the speed.
Good. Slow now. You come into a speed bump. Take your time. Don't break the people in the neck. Slow. Me need them. Slow. Stop. Come to a stop. Go over the speed bump here. And make them with the camera flick around. Go on. You make things hard for you. Go on. That means you must take your time. Stop. See? You don't go too fast. Stop. Stop. Eli, your driver. Stop. Don't even move. Go on out. Stop. Stop, Robert. Stop. And the next way we are going, no?
And the next way?
Yeah.
And down, so we are going?
No, man, we not go back. Alright, stop.
Oh, you're not going back down?
No, stop. More of you. Are you show up? Stop. Are you show me the ski, you know? Let go a little bit. When we say gas are braking means say a little bit. Go on. Take your time and boss speed bump. Good. And when you go, more you go back on your side of the road. Alright. Good. Alright, go on. When you drive fast, I carry it on the next side of this one. Stick no way, straight down we are going.
No, but remember say I turn then.
No, we're not turning, we're going to. What we say?
No, I mean I look.
Oh, no man, nobody not come. They might come from the next side. Go on, good girl still. Go on. Yeah, go up on the next side of the road because obviously the car in front of you. Good. Speed bump. Very good. Very good. Continue. Come on your side of the road. Left side is your side of the road. Very good. Chop. Slow. Good. Speed bump.
Oops.
So I fly over them sometimes. Go on, man, I wait for you. Go on, give me a little gas. Don't let the bicycle come on. Gas. Because you know, so you forward. Straight here, go to slow. Stop. Good. Take your right turn. Yeah. Just I tell them random because I just want to see where you can do. Go on. You look on your right mirror if you see nobody fly around you?
Yes.
Good. Go on. Remember you must, yes, that I want to see you come back on your side of the road even though nobody did it. Go on. Good. Go on. Stay on your side of the road. Yeah. Sometimes we say it means you know you're going at the church. Alright, good. Very good. Right, what the red sign is there? So you go up the come on then. You go up the come on then?
Stop.
Okay. Alright. More take the right turn.
Right.
Indicate before, yes. That the driver behind you can know what is what. Go on. We're going to last still now, but I know nothing. Stay on your side of the road. Stay on, yeah. Good. Go on. I like how you handle the wheel. You handle the wheel like you're confident. Go on. You're going to take the left turn. You did too much by the banking. Yes. Go around, you know. Yes. Very good. Alright, steer. Go up the road. I can't lift my camera and I son it to go over it. You're outside of the road level. Good. Good. Travel. Very good. Very good. This means I can put you up on the road soon. Too much in our banking. Yeah. Alright, here I go going now. Yes, a very stop too much in our banking. Yes, it's gonna be very difficult. Because I'm going to make you turn back and make a good one where I come from. But here we're going to now. Go forward, turn right. After your car points up, you reverse, and turn and go back right where I come from. So come, take your time. First thing you need to do is what?
Look.
And then what? Indicate. Okay. Indicate. Go up more. Can you see? See anybody?
No.
Up some more. Are you sure? Alright, so make the turn. You check your mirror behind you. Nobody there. Okay, make your turn. Make your turn, man. Make it now. Make it, man. Make it. Enough space in front of you. And a banking. Good. Very good. Very good. Stop. What you gotta do now? Remember me tell you more reverse. Alright. Watch the car. Good. Yes, come back. Come. Guide the car properly. Yes. Slow down. Good. What you gotta do now? You have enough space, can make it. Good. Make the turn. Wrap the car. Slope, yeah, before you even press the pedal. Good. Very good. Go on. Very good. Go on. Don't go into the banking. Go on. Yo, I'm proud. Slow down. Slow. Yeah. Slow down, level. You're dead now. The banking too much. Too much now the banking. Alright. Right turn. Let's go up some more. Yes. Yeah. But when I see how do you go a little bit too much by your side, so you need to watch for the banking. See? Alright, go on. Slow down. No, the turn of the ass, level. The turn of the ass.
Turn there or something.
No, but you did that. Look which way you make it. Slow. Turn now. Slow. Brakes. You're going too far, but make the turn. Hold on, I'll show you. Slow. Ease up off of the pedal a little bit, yeah. What I tell you is, yeah, go drive up in the people in the yard. Come, wait, slow down. Alright, continue to drive the car now. Good. Alright, very good. Coming down back. Slow. Because I need to monitor you. Good. Coming to a turn where you're going to make a left.
Left?
Yeah. Slow down. Yeah. Look where I see you going at the banking. Go on. Go down some more, man. See if I can see.
Yeah.
Go on. Yeah. Let me see if you're going near the banking this time. You're going too far out, but come. You make it. Straighten up. Yep. Go on now. Give me a little gas. Yeah. Remember, say my next sick. Next sick, so you know you need to do. Oh, my next sick, Lovell. Go on. Yeah, man, give a little gas, man. Carry her fast, you know. Slow. Yeah, man. That means I go to the hospital, you could have carry me. Speed bump. Very, very nice. Alright, stop. Now what go right this one? I need right this one. I need to make the car come to me. I don't need to see the car fly over when away. Okay. No, like me, I trust you, you know.
Alright.
As a matter of fact, I can't that I can show it out, my show it all. Don't drive it. Slow down. Come here, walk. Slow. Yeah, I like how you come catch me up. Hey lady, big woman. Slow. Slow down, me say. Big woman. Slow. Over there. Yeah. Let's get to where we are.
Bro, the end of the
Give me the good gas.
go swing, you know. You don't like how some people wouldn't keep your car steady.
Drive now. Slow. Bye bye. Alright, stop yourself well. Put your car in a park. Handbrake. And that is your driving lesson for the day. You did very well.
You did very good. I'm proud of you, girl.
May I give you a 6.
6?
Yeah,
the first time, just look.
No.
Supposed to tell me I'm glad.
I give you a 6. Me say you can move the car.
I got mommy.
Yo, and the baby proud. Hold on there.
Mommy drive. Mommy drive. You know what that mean? Mommy go carry her to school. You do good. You do really good. Thank you.
You do good, man. I'm proud of you, my G. Proud of you, my G.